Tomorrow, day after.
Day after tomorrow is
Oh, holiday.
that is
Tomorrow.
Right, please, Your Lordship.
Huh?
But I beg to mention item number 39 and 40, ma'am. But kindly enter the matter. 39 and 40.
My lord, here we have received the CD,
Oh.
although the CD is not up to date, so we may be allowed to send it back for updation. My lord.
The learned counsel, 39 and 40, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he be granted a week's time. The matter may not be taken up today. The matter be adjourned for a week on account of certain personal inconvenience. Also, prayer is not objected to by the learned counsel, by the learned additional PP. Also, the learned additional PP submits that the case diary in the connected case has been received, but the same is not an updated one. Full stop. The learned additional PP shall on the next date of listing produce an updated case diary in the matters. Also, register to list this matter again.
My lord, on 17.
17/9/2020.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. If I were to mention item number 45, Lordship. CD is still awaited, Lordship, when Mr. M. Hussain is out of station, Lordship.
On the prayer, item number 45, on the prayer of the learned counsel for the petition,
Item number 45, charge sheet submitted, my lord.
charge sheet submitted.
Yes, my lord.
Lordship, kindly take up after 1 week, Lordship.
Why? Charge sheet is there. You go for regular bail.
Mr. M. Hussain is out of station, Lordship. Please.
On a prayer made on behalf of Mr. M. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner, registered to list this matter again on.
There is an entry model, Lordship, that may be continued today.
On 5,
Lordship, there is
5/9,
there is an entry model, Lordship.
5/9/2024, interim order to continue till the next date of listing. 5/9. You keep this CD. Well, you give me the charge sheet number and all on the next. No, on the next day. Yes,
May I please, so I beg to mention item 47, madam. Case diary has not been received, madam. And adjourn the matter for 2 weeks, madam. That is the interim order.
case diary not received. On the prayer of the learned councils, registered to list this matter again on.
On 17, my lord. Karimganj.
On 17/9.
17. Interim order may be.
Interim order, if any, to
Oh, that's-
continue till the next date of listing.
My lord, this is a bail application, my lord. Tomorrow.
May I please, Your Lordship, I'll pay for listing of a review petition, madam.
Review of this bench.
Yes, madam. Madam, passed by in civil bench 2, madam.
Okay.
Obliged.
You have it on.
Madam, can it be on Friday?
No problem.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 46.
Hmm.
It's not available, Lordship.
Hmm?
I mean, in Lordship. It is not available.
It did not receive, my lord.
I mean.
Same prayer. From where? CD?
Yes.
Bilasipa.
Bilasipara.
Listed again on
It can be on 19th, madam.
19/9.
My pleasure, Lordship. I beg to mention item number 54, Lordship.
50?
54, Lordship.
Wait. It's an orders matter. Why is it come today?
As per my knowledge, I think service is now complete.
Let it reach. We'll pass orders required.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12, Lordship. Matter pertains to quashing of the FIR, Lordship. Matter will be taken up after 1 week, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, my senior is out of station.
On the prayer made on behalf of Mr. K.R. Padgiri, learned counsel for the petitioner, registered to list this matters again after a week.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26. I am on behalf of Mr. B. Devi, Lordship. Due to some personal difficulties, he is not present. So matter may be passable for the day, Lordship. Consent.
Mr. D. Chaudhary is not present.
Mr. B, I am on behalf of Mr. B. Devi. 28. Consent
20?
has been taken, Lordship.
20?
28.
28, yeah. Yes.
Lordship, date may be given, Lordship. Next.
28.
On the prayer made on behalf of Mr. B. Dury,
28.
learned counsel for the petitioner who is stated to be
28. colon.
out of station, comma. Matter stands adjourned today. Registry to list this matter again on
28.
11/9/2024.
Right.
Today's daily course list, delivery of order item 1.
Court is taking an adjournment in the matter.
Sorry,
Court is taking an adjournment in the matter.
absolutely fine.
We'll have it on a date. I'll try to, others I'll make it CAB and I'll deliver the order.
Fine, no problem.
Heard the parties at length. Also, hearing concluded. Registry, matter, judgment stands present.
Tivlio.
Now I can put our sudden more CABs. Quota is.
Much of.
Yes.
FIR, your lordship will find page 8, fact copy. Your lordship, two young boys and girls were in love relationship and which was opposed by the informant lordship. And that relationship, your lordship can see from the page.
We'll have the CD.
Only let me not pay for a short date, lordship, because a 21-year-old boy. lordship. Page 18 is the messages between them, lordship.
21-year-old boy, but the allegation is
No, that.
of a more mature
That is the
person.
informant person, lordship. May I
Fine,
page-
we will have it.
On
When?
the 10th,
10. Heard the learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard the learned Namgita Velova. So and so. His application has been prepared for grant of regular bail in connection with Jalukbari PS case number 346 to 2024 under section 140 bracketed 3/3/3 bracketed 5/318 bracketed 2/64/76 of Bharatiya Nya Sanhita. Yeah, Sailova. What else? Also, registered to list this matter again on 10/9/2024. The additional PP shall produce the connected case diary on the next bit of listing.
Apply.
Now, please, your lordship, 483 application, your lordship, FIR is at page 11. Really good. Very good.
There are a number of cases against you. You are a.
It will be required.
Okay. Ready? When?
from count of same date 9.
9.
May I please, your lordship. My lord, FIR, your lordship, my lord, find page 9, my lord. My lord, what-
Yes. PP. Is his custodial interrogation required? Any further?
Why not?
Mature people falling in love,
Yes.
something happened. Heard the learned counsel. Yes, your name?
SM Mullah, my lord.
SM Mullah, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel appearing for the additional PP. The present application has been filed seeking regular bail in connection with so-and-so. So-and-so. The petitioner was arrested on
14/8, my lord.
14/8/2024 and has been under custody since then. Also, considering the nature of the allegation so level and the period of detention undergone, this court is of the considered view that further custodial detention of the petitioner would not be called for, may not be called for. Also, accordingly, the petitioner herein is enlarged on regular bail in connection with a PS case number so and so, condition with a deliver, intimidate no poribo. Amar jito regular condition I can appear before the investigating officer every week once.
Judicial magistrate first class Hazo, my lord.
To the satisfaction of the judicial magistrate, first class, Ajay.
Obliged, my lord.
My lord, I am deeply sorry, my lord. I have mentioned item number 28, but I have not appeared for interim period, my lord.
28 or interim prayer to extend.
Interim may be continued, my lord.
Interim prayer to extend. 28, transfer petition.
My lord, I have bill petition, no, my lord, but since the charge sheet was submitted, my lord.
Hmm.
The honorable court directed me to approach honorable lower court, my lord, say 15 in the order.
Yes,
It
Mr.
is a substituted matter. The scan copy will be required here. They have,
Charge sheet has been submitted.
yes, madam, they have not annexed the search sheet, but
Okay.
going through the last or two orders, it seems my lord search sheet has been.
Ah,
submitted.
the lower court orders. Hmm.
Yes, madam.
Hmm. It would be submitted by which court? From which court we'll have to call it? Special Judge Kamrup,
My lord,
Where-
Justice
Madam, Rangia.
Rangia, my lord.
SDGM Rungia. Heard
Addition-
Mr. S. Chauhan, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. Swansol, learned additional PP appearing for the state. Full stop.
Madam, additional session just running.
Additional session, that's right. Full stop. The additional PP submits that the charge sheet in the matter has been submitted on 17/7/2024. Full stop. Accordingly, registry to requisition a scanned copy of the charge sheet filed in.
We have
What is
search sheet
it?
number 17, dated 17/7/24.
No. Where is, which is that corresponding GR case number?
After charge sheet submitting, my lord, this honorable court, my lord, directed to approach court.
Then that has been rejected.
Yes.
We just want to see what is there. Because he has that page 17 is the order as to what material is there against you which denies your
Son of my lord, committing my lord rape on the provision.
17-year-old girl,
On the provision marriage.
17-year-old girl.
I have one authority, my lord, in such cases, honorable Supreme Court, my lord.
No, it will be SDJM Rangia because last portion it was forwarded to SDJM Rangia, my lord.
Which has arrested me and may not have already seized all the documents connected with the case.
When were you arrested?
May not on 22/7/2022.
22/8.
Will.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. additional PP. So-and-so. This is an application praying for regular bail in connection with the Goroimari PS case number 98/24 under section page 4. So-and-so. Raised to list this matter again on when Goroimari
Yes, madam.
on 13. No, sorry. 10.
10.
10/9/2024.
10.
10.
May a person accept 10 minutes, either 9 or not.
11.
Then 11, madam.
11/9/2024. Learned additional PP to produce the case diary in the matter on the next date of listing.
I'm obliged.
May it be the document. Well, this revision has been preferred against judgment and order by which, my lord, I was being acquitted and that has been set aside and quashed, my lord. So the acquittal is concerned, my lord, if you lordship kindly see, here there are about 7 witnesses which have been examined.
But the appellate court reversed that order,
It was just on the ground of suspicion, my lord.
suspicion.
Well, so far.
And I don't understand one thing, Mr. Bora,
My lord. My lord, there,
para 33,
yes, my lord. I'll do. The lordship will,
para 33 of the judgment of the appellate tribunal.
my lord,
Learned trial court is directed to hear the parties afresh on the same materials and evidence and write a fresh judgment with proper. If the materials were already there, what prevented the appellate court from proceeding and finally deciding the
my
issue?
lord, that's why I have come, my lord. Ultimately, this is a direction that you convict. So the same set of, see, so for the acquittal is concerned, my lord.
No, I would have understood that he set aside the order and
That-
remands back the
order
matter.
which Your lordship has direct, see the paragraph 33, what it says, my lord. That is directed to hear the parties afresh on the same materials, my lord. Now, what the same materials is there? The materials already been. given
Already
in the
before the
judgment, my lord.
appellate trial court, he could have passed any order he wanted to.
Well, that is why, what has happened, he has kept up the mind that he should be convicted. So that is the direction has been there, my lord. So if your lordship on the same set of evidence.
Isn't the appellate court not empowered to even appreciate the evidence and pass a fresh order? It is empowered.
Yes, they have in an appellate court, and in appellate court also is the right to give a conviction also in an appellate court, right? While he has set aside and remanded back and saying that with a direction, they you just on the same set of
Materials.
materials, you just pass an order, meaning thereby what that you convicted the
Will.
the petitioner.
The scan copy of the, I think it's here only, anything is further required
Yes,
to
yeah.
be.
No, nothing will not.
Right, this is only the order.
Because it's
We'll only issue a notice. We'll stay there. But Mr. P. Bora, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Ms. K. Bhattacharya, Learned Counsel, appearing for the review petitioner. Also heard Mr. Samir Learned, additional PP, appearing for the state. Response number 1, state respondents. Also, issue notice, returnable 4 weeks. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by way of, it is by way of registered post?
Yes.
yes.
By way of registered post with AD. Post up, steps within 3 days, 3 working days from today. Post up. Considering the grounds assigned in the revision petition as well as on perusal of the orders of the trial court as well as of the appellate court, this court is of the considered view that the matter would require a further adjudication accordingly. Till the returnable date, the impugned judgment and order dated 29/6/2024 passed by the learned additional sessions judge Dibrugarh, Assam in criminal appeal case number 4 bracketed 1/2023 shall remain stayed.
The operation of the judgment.
A judgment shall remain, operation of the judgment shall remain stayed. Full stop.
And he has, my lord, the Barnett appellate court has come with a conclusion of doubts, my lord. He has said
That's
doubts.
why he should have gone ahead and finished it.
There cannot be any doubt. So far, with the criminal cases, it is not a civil case where preponderance of
Probability will come.
The beyond all reasonable doubt.
List this matter again on 3/10/2024.
Obliged.
Wait, President.
Hmm.
Lordship, the petitioner convicted under section 323 IPC Lordship and sentenced to pay a fine of ₹1,000 Lordship. And in default, 10 days imprisonment Lordship. And the appellate court has also upheld the judgment of the trial court Lordship. Accordingly, this resolution is preferred to petition Lordship.
Your case is that in the FIR, there was no disclosures made in her statement, in evidence. Okay, we'll examine.
Apart from that, Lordship, the medical evidence also, there are some
Nothing.
discrepancies. Lordship.
Discrepancies.
And this was the
We'll examine this in the meantime. Also heard Mr. Fukan, learned, Mr. R. Fukan, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Swenso, additional PP appearing for the respondent number 1. Also issue notice, a returnable 4 weeks. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by way of registered post with AD, steps within 3 days. Okay, considering the materials available on record as well as the judgments, till the returnable date, the impugned page 12, impugned order, judgment and order dated 26/7/2024, passed by the additional session judge Jorat in criminal appeal number 13 of 2024, and the impugned judgment and order dated 16/3/2024, passed by the Court of Subdivisional Judicial Magistrate Titapur in PRC case number 86/2022, shall remain suspended.
Well, LCR may be also
Would it be required? Okay.
regarding depositions are not here, no.
এইটো তোমাৰ ইন্ট্ৰিম টু এইটোৰ ফাইল পাছ কৰিবা ক্ৰিমিনেল 821 হাৰ্ড আকৌ লিখিবা কনচিডাৰিং ইয়াত কৰি কিনে এইটো ৰিটাৰ্নেবল ডেটলৈ কৰি দিবা
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this revision petition is filed against the impugned order dated 6th of July 2024, passed by the London Session Judge Melbari. After filing of the charge sheet by the concerned IO, at the stage of committal, can session judge alter the charges without the justification? That is the reason we.
We'll issue a notice here.
Your Lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice, returnable 4 weeks. Mr. Additional PP, heard so whatever accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1. So petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by way of registered post with AD. So would the everything is here, but it would be required? I don't think so. Also, registry to list this matter again after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
Highly advised.
You have retired. You have retired. You have retired,
I have retired, madam.
but the allegation,
Yes, madam.
the known liability certificate, can it take away the allegation of misappropriation? Would the no liability certificate exclude you? Okay, departmental proceedings I can understand.
Well, that's not my only ground.
Hmm.
The
That is one of the
otherwise
grounds.
Also, my lord, the ingredients of 420, because there has to be some delivery of property.
That is, see, everything was done under the checks of your signature. So delivery, possession, these are matters which will have to be considered at the trial, not here at this stage. Whatever, prima facie, something is being made out.
Yes, my lord, the notice may be issued only. I'm not praying for an interim order now. Because the trial has also proceeded through his
That's what I'm saying. Finish it off.
My lord,
Little bit of criminal that I know.
yes, my lord, there's a bar for taking cognizance under 471.
That stage is gone. You have come now. Everything is gone. Now the case is under trial. Evidences are being adduced. On the prayer of Mr. D. Goswami, learned counsel for the petitioner, raised it to list these matters again after 2 weeks. Try.
Okay.
10.
Wait, Your Lordship. Lordship, I have filed this application challenging the order, Lordship, and also the charge sheet, Lordship. What has happened in this case, Lordship? There was fight between two sets of people, and both of the side have filed FIR against each other, and subsequently charge sheet were laid. So, Lordship, what has happened in this case? On Lordship, may kindly see page number 91. Page number 90, Lordship. This is the court of SDJM, Lordship. Received the charge sheet, perused the CRCD, case is held transferred to the court of self for disposal. The learned magistrate may note that this order is purely administrative in nature under section 15(2) of the CRPC and has been passed without taking cognizance of the alleged offence by decision of Honorable High Court in Rani Nora versus the state of Assam so and so. While before taking cognizance, the learned magistrate has to comply with the directions passed by the Honorable Guwahati High Court in criminal petition number 680 of 2014 as reflected in circular dated so and so. Now, Lordship, the SDJM do not have any power under section 15(2) of the CRPC, Lordship, to pass any such order. Lordship, may kindly take up the CRPC once, Lordship.
CRPC. What is the circular being referred to?
Lordship, that circular is only in respect of no, the transfer has to be made
to a superior, by a superior person to the another person, to the lesser person. That your lordship will find in page section 15(2) of the CRPC. Section 15(2), lordship got it?
That is the power of the chief judicial magistrate.
Yes, lordship. This is the exclusive power of the chief judicial magistrate, and SDJM cannot pass any order like that, lordship. And again, on the very next day, he has taken this case up for disposal. Now, what has happened in this case? Lordship, may kindly see the next page, page number 91, order dated 19/1/2024. Now, on perusal, the CR is transferred to my file for disposal. Peruse the case record. On perusal,
Yes, what is this system?
and all these, the cognizance is taken mechanically.
Okay, what happened to this finally?
No, it is still in that stage only, lordship.
That's
They have taken cognizance without anything, not consideration of anything. Whatever is given in the FIR, the charge sheet is also the same set of facts, and then these people have been named, and also this charge sheet has been laid like that. And also this order has been passed like mechanically, lordship they cannot just take cognizance like that, lordship. That too, one who do not have the power to take cognizance, he has taken cognizance of the matter.
You have that circular 25.
So circular, I have searched for the circular regarding Rani Noro case, lordship. That is passed by the. The same has been reflected in the Rani Noro case, lordship. It is with regard to only taking cognizance. It has nothing to do with the facts and circumstances of this case. Rani Noro. Criminal petition 6/8/2014.
We'll have it on Wednesday. I'll have this circular also with me.
Lordship.
Registry to list this matter again on 6/9/2024. Oh, sorry. Registry to also put up a note with regard to the circular dated 25/2015 as passed by this court, by the registry of this court in pursuance to the directions passed by the court in criminal petition number 680/2014. Let's see what it is there.
Highly obliged.
I have filed this application and the FIR filed against me, lordship. FIR may kindly be seen at page number 55,
Okay, we'll issue a notice.
lordship. In the meantime, I have been detained. I was behind the bar almost 20.
You are now outside.
Yes, I'm now also.
Heard Mr.
Yes, please, sir.
H.K. Sharma, learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. Sons of learned counsel, additional PP. So issue notice returnable 4 weeks. Mr.
State representative is there.
One, you will be taking only behalf of one, three. Mr. Goswami, he will be taking on behalf of 1,
Yes, madam.
3, 4, 5, and 6.
Four we are not taking. Government advocate.
No government. Involved.
Commissioner. Deputy
Commissioner of Police,
Four.
all police.
My lord, 4, 5 we are taking, 6 we are not taking.
Okay. Mr. Goswami, additional PP accepts notice on
madam.
behalf.
Kaushik.
Kaushik, Mr. Kaushik, R.R. Kaushik, learned counsel appears accepts notice on behalf of respondents number 1, 3, 4, and 5. Also, petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 6 through the office of the senior government advocate, Assam. Also, petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 2 by way of registered post with AD. Steps within 3 working days from today. Also, consider the prayer of the
Civil
petitioner
suit is
for
already pending, Lordship.
consider the prayer of the petitioner for.
Civil suit
In-
is already pending.
Huh?
One civil suit is already pending.
I know that.
We have filed, denying their contentions.
That sale deed you have put to dispute.
Yes.
Your case is that the money date of the sale deed and the first deposit of 50 lakhs or something to you.
That is disputed
That is somewhere after your mother's death. Even.
after his murder.
So the power,
My mother's signature has been fraudulently.
you were given a power of attorney.
Yes,
But the buyer is showing that he has brought the property again from your mother.
yes.
That's it.
Yes, it is.
Is it a registered
already
sale
been
deed?
challenged,
Is it a registered sale deed?
not registered sale. Kacha sale deed. An agreement is also kacha here.
Also. Oh. We'll also issue a notice on the interim prayer. On the next date, we'll consider
Yes.
interim prayer. Issue notice also on the interim prayer. So which will be considered on appearance of the respondent number 2 in the matter.
Steps will be taken against all respondents.
1, 3, 4, and 5 by him.
Yes.
6 by government through government office. 2 by registered post.
Obliged.
One day did not appear. Let him go and appear. But Mr. L.R. Majumdar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. R.R. Kaushik, Learned additional PP appearing for the respondents. So, the present criminal petition has been so filed assailing an order dated 26/7/2024 issued by the Learned Sessions Special Judge Kachar Silchar in NDPS case number 5/2024, issuing non-bailable warrant of arrest against the petitioner hearing for his non-appearance in the matter on 26/7/2024. I have considered the pleadings available, the contentions raised by the petitioner in the petition, and finds that the petitioner was not in the knowledge of the date so fixed in the matter, and accordingly he was not in a position to appear. Also, it is stated that the matter is now fixed on 10/9/2024 for appearance of the petitioner as well as his bailer, and also for the report of the NBWA so issued. Also, considering the matter and also upon hearing the Learned Counsel for the parties, this court is of the view that the bail and non-bailable warrant of arrest issued against the petitioner is directed not to be executed, and the petitioner is directed to appear before the trial court on 10/9/2024 positively. Also, in the event the petitioner fails to appear on the next date before the trial court, the trial court would be at liberty to proceed further in the matter and issue a fresh NBWA against the petitioner hearing. So with the above observations and directions, the criminal petition stands disposed of.
Obliged.
No, please, Your Lordship. The matter may be passed over for the day, Your Lordship. Learned Counsel HRE had to leave urgently. Due to some urgency, Learned Counsel HRE had to leave due to some urgency. Your Lordship. It may be fixed after 2 days, Your Lordship, on Thursday or Friday.
Yes, Kaushik. The address that was given in the agreement is the address which was given in the legal notice.
Well, this is item number 14.
14. I'm just,
We are not the party.
no, I'm just asking you.
Yes, sir.
Address given in, this is a 138 proceeding. Address given in they had an agreement. Therein a particular address is given. That address is copy pasted and a legal notice is sent. It is returned as insufficient address. Would the General Clauses Act not come in and hold that the address being sent by registered post to a proper address, that would be
Yes.
sufficient?
Yes,
Then
as per general clauses.
the what error has the revision court made?
Matter may be taken up 2 days.
On the
Friday,
prayer of the
Thursday.
learned counsel for the petitioner, registered to list this matter again on
Thursday or Friday.
5/9.
Of like,
15.
Because the order of any charge come.
What happened to the ICC? Any development in the ICC?
Actually set aside by this court, my lord. It was.
ICC,
Yes,
ex parte,
ex
to
parte.
that extent.
That is
Materials are there. Sir.
not 376 crores. You may kindly see.
376, any medical report brought on record?
It's the order dated 30/09/2014,
Page number?
page number 24.
It's a handwritten thing.
Handwritten. My lord, type copy is there, my lord, page 19, my lord.
Hmm.
Now, my lord.
Police had come to your house, your wife,
Lord,
then you came to know.
a chance may be given, my lord. I'll fully cooperate with the trial, my lord. And until such appearance, my lord, the NBWA may be kept in abeyance, my lord.
But this NBWA is being issued from a long time,
Lord,
repeatedly. Okay,
And
we will direct him now, he'll appear.
once he, malak, in some cases, malak, stated that no notice, no someone. Now in this case, he has appeared once, subsequently not appeared without any stay. See, 2014, no, malak, malak,
The impugned order is page 51. And why the police is not executing this from 21 onwards, 21 or 22? 21?
he is absconding, my lord.
Absconding, where is your report? You are not even submitting a report in the matter to the judicial court, to the trial court. See, everything, report not received. And the court is also pursuing with the matter. NWA issued has not been returned. Issue NWA afresh. Accuses issue NWA. What is this? Mechanically, this is going on. Report on progress issued has not been received yet. Now, why is your investigative officers not responding to this? If they have not got him, they should have put up a report. He would have been declared an absconder.
My lord, that.
Why this was not done? Get a report.
Yes, malak,
Get
this
a
is a
report.
mockery of the system, malak.
No, this cannot be from 21 onwards. Yes, Mr. Sharma, what is your police doing? Have you instructed them? Huh?
next date is 18th September.
Yes.
Malak,
Will it change the system? It will not change. This will be there. This has become the norm. Anyway, my judicial officer is also, will not proceed now. You appear
Lordship,
on 18/9.
18.
Heard Mr. Swenson, learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard the learned.
My lord will say on or before, my lord, 18/9.
We'll say on 18/9.
18/9.
18/9 is the next date.
Lordship.
Okay, let him appear.
the defaulter in subsequent dates, my lord.
And that I'll put it.
My lord.
So and so. Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner also heard so and so. The present criminal petition has been instituted against an order dated 39, no, against an order dated 6.
No, my lord, 30/09/2014.
30/09/2014.
14,
Where is that?
page 19, my lord. And vernacular page
Uh,
24.
the Supenda Police, Morigaon. The additional PP shall, no, it is seen from the case records that the warrant of arrest was first issued against the petitioner hearing for his non-appearance on 30/9/2014. Thereafter, on subsequent dates, they said warrant was being reissued on ground that the NWAs so issued were not being executed and no report therein was being submitted by the police concerned in the matter. Full stop. The Supenda Police, Morigaon, shall submit a report in the matter as to why the non-bailable warrant so issued against the petitioner since 30/9/2024 in GR case number 911/2014 by the additional Chief Judicial Magistrate Morigaon was not executed and or a report of its execution/non-execution was not furnished to the court concerned. So the report be submitted to the court through the additional PP on the next date of listing. List this matter again on
13, my lord. 12,
On-
12 or 13.
12/9/2024. We'll see.
Till then, my lord, NBW.
No.
Listed, my lord.
No, 14 onwards, Mr. Counsel, you are moving around. Let's see. What is the nexus?
My lord, kindly stay with me.
No, others will also learn.
Now the.
Others will also learn how to evade for 10 years. NW.
Now,
And we will also take it up in the administrative side. Don't worry.
Now
How
the-
can a court go on issuing an NBW without declaring an absconder and proceeding in the matter?
now the police is behind me, my lord.
We have faced it 10 years you were. I'm sorry. This is derailing a trial. Will not. Next day, we'll see.
All right.
You inform this to Mr. You inform this to the SP.
My lord, my lord. I'm looking.
17.
What, last date also nobody had appeared?
Yes, none appeared on
Will,
28.
can I dismiss it? I can't.
My lord, yes, bail can be, my lord.
Okay, we'll give him one more time. None has appeared for the petition on call. It is seen that on the last date of listing also, that is on 22/8/2024, there were no representation. For the interest of justice, registry is directed to list this matter again on 6/9/2024.
18.
It is allowed. So, my lord, pre-arrest bail application, my lord. FIR, my lord, is at page number 26. The allegation basically is that, my lord, some members of the public, they apprehended two fake gold sellers. And, my lord, they informed their family members. The family members instead lodged an FIR saying that they have kidnapped.
The mobile was traced to
Yes.
you. What do you want? A final consideration or an Abdul Rashid? Your name is there.
Yes.
Then
If your lordship wants to give us some protection, my lord, we'll
No.
appear before the IO, my lord.
No.
Then, my lord, will call for the case diary, my lord.
this is not a fit case. Your name and others are so and so stated that.
Yes, it is in serial number 4 of
Four.
the FIR.
Abdul Rashid.
They, my lord, apprehended these two persons who were selling fake gold in Rupohiyar area. And they had already cheated huge amount of money.
And
So they
this
informed the family
Ikramul
of
and
the-
all, the others, they are having earlier criminal antecedents.
Yes. Some of them have already been arrested and forwarded. So Lordship may have the. case
Have they
diary,
been
madam.
bailed out? No.
I do not
Then-
know. madam.
then-
Lordship will have.
Sorry.
Have the case diary, madam. After case diary, Lordship will consider. No interim. I am not seeking interim, madam.
Not satisfied.
Peruse the case diary, madam.
Nothing is perused. Everything is here only.
No, my lord, whether my lord this petitioner, my lord, was actually involved or not.
Your name has come.
That is, my lord, in the FIR, my lord. FIR, my lord, they can allege lots of things, my lord.
FIR lodged by ASI after preliminary investigation.
It's not an FIR lodged by somebody, an
Yes,
informant. It is after the GD entry was made, this was done.
Yes, but actually,
Then-
my lord, they have come across any material against me or not, my lord. The case diary will reveal, my lord. So, my lord, I'll only pray for case diary sort that may be given, my lord.
During interrogation, he disclosed the fact and stated the entire process. Ikramul, the vehicle owner and others, Izaz, Muzibur, Abdul Rashid were involved. And accordingly recovered the vehicle involved in the matter in connection with the case.
What will fix a sorted, my lord? Call for the case diary, my lord.
You try it somewhere else.
Take a final call, my lord.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner raised it to list this matter again after a week.
Highly obliged.
19.
May I please, your lordship? House trespass case, my lord. My brother is in jail. Let me appear, lordship, with a protection, lordship. This is my prayer, lordship.
No protection.
Lordship, my brother is in own brother. I have annexed the forwarding report. My house is
know.
searched. Lordship, my house is already searched. My own brother is in jail, lordship. And there is none to look after my entire
You
family,
both
lordship.
are involved.
So,
So
lordship-
why are you leaving your brother alone? You should also accompany him.
No, lordship,
Huh?
please, lordship. House trespass, this is not POCSO, lordship, not murder, not rape, my lord. Let me appear, lordship.
Yes.
With a protection.
What do you say?
House trespass and theft.
Theft also.
Theft, yes, theft is there. My house is already searched, lordship.
But he is,
Let me appear, lordship. If anything found, it may be rejected.
he is
After
highlighting
receiving the
only
case
house
diary, lordship.
trespass.
Lordship, after receiving the case, it may be rejected if anything found against me, lordship.
5 number of Guru.
He's
Yes.
highlighting only house trespass, but later on,
No, lordship.
What happened to the
Lordship,
material stolen?
5 number
Was it
of
recovered?
cows, lordship.
Recovered.
Lordship, I don't know, but my brother is arrested. My house is searched, lordship. Then nothing remain in my house, lordship. So, lordship, I may be allowed to appear with a
It
protection.
might be in the pothar, not in the house. Pothar is not such till now.
Please, lordship.
Let him appear.
Yes, lordship.
Ayo. But Mr. G. Somo, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. Swan's learned additional PP appearing for the state. The present interlocutory application has been instituted, praying for pre-arrest bail in connection with Obaipuri PS case number 193/24 under section 331 bracketed 4/305 of the Bharatiya Nya Sanhita. That's so and so. So I peruse the materials brought on record and find that the petitioner has and find that the petitioner herein is the brother of accused Kabir Ali, who has already been arrested and is presently under detention. So, considering the nature of the allegation so leveled and the statements made in the bail application, I'm of the view that the petitioner is entitled to interim pre-arrest bail. So accordingly, the petitioner hearing is in the event of his arrest in connection with Uparwala Akbar Ligdana, so and so is directed to be released on a bail of rupees. Anything?
no, listen, 25th of September, madam.
No, on a bail of rupees 20,000 with like surety. Also, subject to the following conditions. Also, 1, the petitioner shall appear before the IO investigating officer and record his statement within a period of 7 days from today. So the petitioner shall not. Baki jo similar hai, wo laga dena. Also, raised it to list this matter again on 25 25,
No,
25/9/2024, additional PP to produce the updated case diary, including the statement of the petitioner hearing and the follow-up steps taken thereafter by the investigating officer. Full stop.
highly obliged, madam.
Iman?
May I please your lordship, my
Mm.
senior Mr. Zedkamar is in bags and some other foods. I request your lordship to take the matter of the son.
Yes, what do you say?
My lord, he, one phone number given. Now why he is apprehending, my lord?
Because that there is a note behind the FIR only. That
Well,
it is submitted that a person whose phone number is mentioned here in below
name
was
is
disturbing
Rahul.
my daughter.
No,
But
madam,
beyond that, there is no suicide note. There is nothing.
But we have to see, my lord, the anticipated event. What? Let the city come, my lord. So that I can, my lord, dispute.
When? Monday? Or Friday?
No, Friday, 9 minutes. Okay.
9. We'll have it on 9 with this CD.
My senior will
Okay, let him come.
watch out.
Time being.
May I please your lordship? My lord, the clearest bail application, my lord, the four petitioners before your lordship. Petition number 2 is the father of the petition number 1. 3 is the own paternal uncle, and 4 is the own maternal uncle. And my lord, kindly turn to the FIR, that is page 12, my lord. The page 13 is the main version, my lord. A lady lodged the FIR, my lord, that on 16/7/2024, about 1 p.m. The accused number 1, that is, my lord, the Iqbal Hussain, took me from my house on the pretext of our court marriage. Then, without going to court marriage, took me out and told me that tomorrow he will do court marriage.
Get your case diary.
And my lord, kindly, my lord, I am praying the father, maternal uncle, and paternal.
All be there.
My lord,
Because there is
my
allegation
lord,
against
kindly
all.
examine what is the allegation against them, my lord.
Come
And
here.
one last line, my lord, in the FIR. At that time, accused number 3 and 4 together tried to do bad work with me. Very unfortunate. The nephew has brought a girl due to love and FIR.
And the accused number 3 and 4, this may be an exaggeration, but let us see what the materials are. But if this is true,
I am praying.
if this is true, then that shows the mental condition.
My lord, such type of, my lord, allegation is very unfortunate.
That's what I'm saying. We'll give a short date. Let him get it. This is from Morigaon.
Morigaon.
I am praying for 3-4, my lord, kindly. They are the parents, my lord. How it is possible, my lord? And the fact is that, my lord, she's a divorcee, my lord.
What is the material that this is not possible? Show me that.
My lord, just
Show me that. If it was something else, I would have immediately asked you to go.
My lord, it is
But
the
a
believable
girl is
version,
making
my
all
lord.
these allegations and very serious
My
allegations.
lord, it is believable version that.
That
it
means
is
you
better-
accept the fact that Iqbal Hussain had brought the girl to that house.
No, my
You
lord.
accept that
She-
fact.
She voluntarily came.
No, you said that nephew has brought.
No, my lord, just allegation I am saying. But our submission I have explained in paragraph 7, my lord,
Heard
clearly.
Mr. N. Uddin, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Spencer, learned additional PP. Full The present application has been so instituted, praying for pre-arrest bail in connection with Moriabari PS case number 125/2024 under section, यहाँ से देख लेना, page 2. Full stop. Registered to list this matter again on issue notice. Registered to list this matter again on 9/9/2024. The learned additional PP shall produce the case record of the matter on the next date. We'll consider the next.
9/9.
9/9.
22.
Okay, please, lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship for 82 bail petition, my lord, FIR is page number 8, my lord. Pre-bail application, my lord, FIR is page number 8. Yeah, my lord, 3 person came on a chain bike after having alcohol, and suddenly they fell down and we went to help them and out of them,
Jamuguri, how long?
pardon?
When can you get the case study?
Yes.
On 10th, my lord. Because
At least if I protection I'm given.
Get the CD, because the allegation is of
My lord, try to trace the
Hmm.
mobile phone and money, my lord. Actually, they came on a same bike after having alcohol, my lord.
but they
actually-
came from a funeral. That is
Pardon?
the
Yes, at
contention.
9:30, my lord, at 9:30.
Can be.
They
Took some
negligently,
time there.
my lord, at least in time protection, my lord.
Yes.
I will fully cooperate with
my lord,
the
only because of
IO, my
the
lord.
injury in head
And
injury.
that is what is,
By wooden Madan.
you get the CD.
10-9, my lord.
10 9. We'll see.
My lord, in
If
time
that
protection-
injury is not from a blunt weapon, we
Definitely.
will allow the
At least
application.
in time protection.
No, we'll allow your application on the next date. Only thing is that it's not not a blunt weapon. If it's a road, hitting the
Actually-
road, that accident has happened, fine.
Because of the intoxicated, they fell down actually.
Fine.
They were-
That injury would be different than an injury which is got from a wood, from a lathi.
Yes, they were in.
Next day. Mr. Your name?
ZK Medi, my lord.
GK Medi, Learned Counsel for the petition. I also heard Mr. Swenson, Learned additional PP obtaining for the state respondents. Issue notice. The present application is being instituted praying for pre-arrest bail in connection with Jamuguri PS station, PS case number 10922. Yeah, but likhi lo bade. Baki under section so and so. Full stop. Issue notice to Kishore Aibunigi. The registry to list this matter again on 10/9/2024 on the next date of listing. The learned PP shall produce the case diary for perusal of this court. We'll consider on the next day.
I listen.
Well, the matter relates to stealing of two buffaloes, madam. Two buffaloes were stolen, madam.
Today it's cows and buffaloes day.
My lord. Madam, the three persons were arrested. Later on, both the buffaloes were recovered by police, and the petitioner, having come to know, he lost the FIR. And the lordship may kindly come to the FIR at page 12 is the vernacular, madam. এলেংমৰা গাঁৱৰ নিবাসী যাদৱ ডেকা গত ইংৰাজী 8 তাৰিখে মোৰ মহকুটিত মই বান্ধি থোৱা অৱস্থাত ৰাতি চোৰে এহাল মহ চুৰ কৰি লৈ যায় আৰু 3-4 মাহ মান আগতো এই অঞ্চলৰ পৰা মহ চুৰি কৰি নিছে আপোনাক বিশেষভাৱে জনাও যে আজি সামাজিক মাধ্যম যোগে মই হালৰ সৈতে দুজন অচিনাকি মহালৰ সৈতে দুজন অচিনাকি ব্যক্তি আৰু এগৰাকী মহিলা আৰক্ষীক ফটোত দেখা পোৱা গৈছে এই সম্পৰ্কত আপুনি বিহিত ব্যৱস্থা ল'ব লাগে তোমালোক during investigation 3 persons were arrested. I have annexed the lordship will find that page 14. 3 persons were arrested. Page 15, ground of arrest. Lordship will kindly come to 1, my lord. During investigation, sufficient evidence has been come out
against the accused numbers Robin Millie, alias Supply, Rubul Bora, and Sri Sinmoy Borthakur being directly involved in this case. During investigation, the accused person Robin Millie so and so
Sold it
committed
to
the-
one Ozoy Das.
Yes, it was sold to me. And my lord, I have led them the investigating agency to recover. I was there with the investigating officer. At that time, I was not arrested. Subsequently, section, my lord, this section 317(4) has been added. So, my lord, now police is again call me. So, I am apprehending. Earlier, I led the police in. Lordship, kindly see the ground number 3 on being led by me.
They are in judicial custody now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Actually, well, persons like the petitioner, they are helping the thieves because of this cycle is going on, my lord. Otherwise, someone has to buy.
That is why such petitions are also filed. Are being filed.
Initially, I assisted the investigating agency. Now let me assist.
We'll allow him. We'll allow the thing. He'll appear.
Balance.
Heard Mr. N.K. Kolita, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. Sansal, learned additional PP. So the present application has been so filed, praying for pre-arrest bail in connection with Jurat PS case number 321/2024, corresponding to GR case number 512/2024 under section 303(2) and 317(4) of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. So I have perused the FIR as well as the forwarding report dated 13/8/2024 in respect of the co-accused, 3 other co-accused. So from perusal of the said forwarding report, it is brought to light that the petitioner herein was the purchaser of the stolen buffaloes, and he had assisted the police in recovery of the same. Also, however, the petitioner is also liable for the offense as contained in the FIR in question. Also, however, considering the materials available on record and also the contentions of the petitioner in the present proceedings, this court is of the view that the petitioner is entitled to be enlarged on pre-arrest bail in connection with above liquidable bail so and so for a bail amount of rupees. Also, in the event of his arrest in connection with so and so, the petitioner shall be released on bail of rupees, bail bond of rupees 30,000 with like surety to the satisfaction of the investigating officer so and so. So, however, such bail would be subject to the following conditions. He appear horrible within 7 days, regularly assess horrible, tempering, no problem, 18 emergency to regular disposed of.
How like that?
24.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, this is pre-arrest bail application, my lord. My lord, something has happened, my lord, out of love and affairs. My lord, in between the son of the accused number 1 and 2, my lord, as well as the daughter, my lord, of the informant. The allegation is that, my lord, my lord, while coming to know that the accused number 1 and 2, my lord, son of the accused number 1 and 2 are going, my lord, they have arranged for giving marriage to some other else, my lord. The girl, my lord, out of love, my lord, she took some sleeping pill, my lord. Sleeping pill, as a result, my lord, she became, my lord, unwell, and thereafter she became all right, my lord. But here is an allegation, my lord, that some poison has been administered by the accused person, which is absolutely, my lord, incorrect. My lord, there is no medical evidence as such, my lord, to that effect, my lord. Now, my lord, these accused persons, my lord, as well as the informant, all they are neighbors, my lord, in the same village, Howley town. My lord. Now, they are, my lord, out of love and affairs, my lord, this thing has happened, my lord. Therefore, my lord, I'll, my lord, fully cooperate with the investigating agency, my lord. Your lordship may kindly protect us, my lord, because, my lord, there is love and affair, it is admitted, my lord, by the FIR itself, my lord. If your lordship pleases to see the FIR is at page 10, my lord. Vernacular language, my lord, your lordship will find. It is there, my lord. I have annexed the FIR, my lord. FIR is at page 10. I beg to inform, my lord, has your lordship got it, my lord? Page 10, my lord, annexion 1. My lord, he himself admitted that there was a love affair in between my son and in between the son of case number 1, namely Azimul Haq, and daughter of my daughter. They
Lovely.
fled away.
Get it by Friday. On 9th.
9 minutes. Till then, my lord, till then, my lord,
pretty difficult, my lord, this time. 3 days she is in hospital treated.
Lord, I'll cooperate, my lord. I'll as and when,
You
my
will,
lord,
if you don't cooperate,
my lord,
the investigating officer will make you cooperate.
that's true, my lord. That's true, my lord.
But this is a very young girl. I'm
No,
sorry.
my lord, your lordship kindly see, my lord, there is a love.
The only
admittedly.
thing I'm with you is the allegation of poison, unconsciousness, but pouring a mug of water, she regained consciousness. For that, I'm with you.
My lord,
Only that I'm with you. That cannot be a poison. Get it? But she was under treatment. We'll have to know what her physical condition is.
She was absolutely all
Not
right.
once, but twice. 16-year-old girl.
My lord, she was absolutely all
At
right, my
Mr.
lord.
BK Sen.
My lord, when we
The
had
present
taken over the
application
charge
is
to her,
filed seeking pre-arrest bail
and she is now
in
good
connection
condition,
with
my lord.
Howley PS case number 104/2024, corresponding to GR case number 929/2024 under section legal over. Also issue notice. Call for the case records. Call for the case records. Registry to list this matter again on 9/9/2024 for production of case diary. We'll see on 9th.
Till then, my lord, because, my lord, otherwise, my lord, it's a case.
Otherwise, you come and tell me, I'll say case infractuous.
My lord, your lordship kindly see, my lord.
I've gone through it.
Law is, my lord. Law is, my lord, if you issue notice, my lord, then, my lord, unless the protection.
You want
is
me
given-
to dispose of the matter?
No, my lord,
I'll dispose
I'll
it
not-
of now
I'll
itself.
not, my lord,
2
sorry.
minutes.
I'll not. I'll not, my lord, what I am saying.
If you want me to dispose, I can dispose it of.
My lord, till then, my lord,
You go
till
for
then-
regular bail. I'll direct you to surrender.
No, my lord.
All of you.
9.
9.
Obliged. Deeply obliged.
Where I can convince, I don't ask also, I give.
My lord, I know it. We know.
Made your lordship,
Hmm.
FPA is bail application lordship, FIR is a phase 12 lordship. With regard to anomalies in Ayushman Bharat scheme lordship, the other accused persons, other FIR name accused persons have been granted bail by the honorable court, your lordship. Lordship. And XRC page 16 lordship, and one more order is there, lordship. Page 16 is the doctor lordship. FIR name doctor lordship.
Oh, this will have to come together then.
Lordship.
This will have to go to before the same court.
Lordship, that particular court is not available, lordship, this week, lordship. Not available, lordship. And pharmacy.
Now, can I pass an order after that Supreme Court decision? Same court.
My lord, same code, my lord. There's
Same
a
code.
notification, my lord.
There's a notification. Same court it should.
My lord.
It'll be there next week,
Next.
Monday.
Monday, lordship, if available or not there.
Available. Monday should be available. If not, it comes back to me. I'll pass the order. Don't worry.
Lordship, then on Monday, lordship.
Monday. It is seen that connected matters being AB number 2190-2024 and AB number 2244-2024 are pending disposal before this court. Accordingly, registry to list this matter before the same bench, considering the above two noted bail applications on 9/9/2024.
Obliged, your lordship.
Supplementary cause list, motion item 59.
Yes.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, in this case, your lordship, there was a fight between my husband and the informant, your lordship. My husband subsequently went to jail, your lordship. He stayed in detention, your lordship, thereafter he was released on bail. Now I was entangled in this case just out of grudge, your lordship.
Where is the bail order of your husband?
Your lordship, he spent 3 months in jail, then thereafter he came.
Default.
Default.
Of February 2023. Charge sheet submitted. Charge sheet submitted. Go for regular bail. Huh?
Thereafter filed in bail, your lordship.
Where?
It's rejected, your lordship. I couldn't annex the order, but I made a statement, your lordship.
No, I want the order. Go for regular bail. Why here? Go for regular bail. Why should I come in now?
Your lordship, since after filing of the charge sheet, your lordship.
Where is your statement? I think there is a paragraph from there. Yes.
Your lordship, para 6, your lordship, page 5-6.
Summons have been issued to you
Your lordship, summons have been
in the
issued.
trial.
Yes, your lordship.
You are appearing. You're
No,
not
your lordship,
appearing.
If I appear, your lordship, they will arrest me, your lordship. That's the problem, your lordship. Which I've been shown as an.
Get this order. When is the next date fixed?
Lordship,
Witnesses have been, evidence has been taken.
no.
Get this order. Where is this order?
Lord, I'll have to get it, your lordship.
Get it. Heard dealer and counsel for the petitioner. Also, petitioner submits that after the charge sheet has been submitted on, when was the charge sheet submitted?
Lordship,
Submitted, he had submitted, he had preferred a bail application before the learned session just.
Page 18, madam. Page 18, madam. Yeah, no, madam. Page 18, madam.
Date,
18.
charge sheet on 31/3/2024, he
Fine.
had approached the learned session judge Sonitpur
Fine.
praying for pre-arrest bail. However, the same was rejected while order dated 5/8/2024. The said order is not on record. So petitioner, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he would produce a copy of the said order in the form of a additional affidavit, by way of an additional affidavit on or before 9/9/2024, registry to list this matter again on 11/9/2024.
Your lordship, since the, your lordship, search sheet is also not legible, may I annex the search sheet also?
That's up to you.
Daily cause list, admission item 26.
I to be.
I is for clarification on order dated 27/6/24. Lordship was directed to release the admitted amount, lordship, with interest at the rate of 9%, lordship, but that was not given.
Because of that, they only release the principal amount, principal applicable.
Where is that? Where is that order? My order?
In IL, page number 20. Relevant point, paragraph at page number 21.
Petition view, this will submit an. Okay, what is the problem now you are facing?
Lordship,
They have released the principal amount.
principal they have released, but interest part they have not released. They have stated that no debt was given from when this interest rate to be calculated. Lordship. Actually, Lordship, page number 17, this is the second installment release letter, Lordship. So I think from this that interest rate to be accrued, Lordship. Page number 17, Lordship.
Okay.
And
Yes, Mr. Bhattacharya.
actually, I do not have any instruction, my lord.
Okay, fine.
I am leaving up to
Heard,
Lordship.
heard Mr. A.D. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. P.S. Bhattacharya, learned counsel appearing for the CGC appearing for the respondents. The present application has been so instituted, praying for a clarification of the order dated 27/6/2024, passed by this court in WPC number 5347/2020. So this court, while the said order had required the respondents to release to the petitioner society,
Yes.
petitioner society, an amount of rupees 2,03,660 on submission of a pre-receipt for the same by the society within 15 days thereafter, along with interest at the rate of 9% per annum from the date the said amount was so made. Also, the court having not specified the date from which the interest is to be so calculated, it is the contention of the applicant herein that the respondents have not released the interest component working out on account of dependency of the said amount of rupees 2,03,660. Also, upon hearing the learned counsel for the parties, this court hereby clarifies that the interest as awarded by this court while the order dated 27/6/2024 at the rate of 9% shall be applicable from the date the amount, that is rupees 2,03,660 was so sanctioned for payment. That is wide payment wide communication dated 28/2/2013. Accordingly, the respondents shall now calculate the interest so payable to the petitioners to the applicant society on the amount rupees 2,03,660 at the rate of 9% with effect from 28/2/2013 and release the same at the earliest. However, the interest shall be so calculated till the date the said amount was so paid to the applicant society with effect from applicant society. With the above clarification, the IA stands disposed of. Oh, main to लिख दिया. Registry, counsel for the parties. Registry to list this matter again after
Yes, ma'am.
After 2 weeks. Also, the matter would not be treated as a part-heard matter any further.
Keep the words. All right,
Because I'm
27.
not holding the bench, so I don't want to.
May I please, Your Lordship, matter may be passed over for timing, Lordship. Architect
Why?
Chaudhary is appearing.
Oh, Mr. Chaudhary. That
That is section 11.
one more order I passed.
I'm unarmed.
Today I'm unarmed.
What happened?
No, I'm not, I'm unarmed, my lord.
Unarmed. Sometimes unarming is also very alarming.
Has there been another order, my lord? I have to specify.
Huh?
Lordship said there is another order.
There is another order. CAB I had made it. I had to follow that, Rahul. I tried.
Same.
I couldn't. Anyway, that one division bench judgment is nobody has gone up on appeal against that. No?
The division bench judgment that Sarfraz Khan, that it was a stroke of luck. That Sarfraz Khan actually was not even my case. He had come to me for an advice and he gave me that order. That changed the whole scenario for everything. Stroke of luck.
Now you are creating a pain for them.
They had their
When shall we have it?
Malad, I would not be here from the 10th to 13th, otherwise any day.
We'll have it on 9th. On 9th.
Lordship, 9th.
9th.
Lordship, let it be on 13th, Lordship.
13th.
13th, I'll be back. I'll be on my way back.
We'll have it on 16th.
16th.
Raise it to full stop. I think, I don't know how my position, where I will be, not keep it parted anymore. But the council for the parties, full stop. It is submitted that both the council submit that the matter be taken up on 16/9/2024 for admissions. Full stop. Considering the prior so made, the registry is required to list this matter again on 16/9/2024. So this matter would not be treated as parted any further. Publish. Yes. Yes.
Mate.
Ah.
Sir, there are 6 numbers of transfer petitioner.
Four transfer petitions are there together. Yes.
6 numbers.
6, sorry.
This has been duly served except 34, my lord. I have appeared, coming to know, but I have the copy of the, my lord, petition
Item number 34.
34 in that case. I have
And the
appeared.
other cases?
Other cases, my lord, I am appealing.
So everybody, parties have services complete in all the cases.
Yes, appeared, Lordship, in all cases, learned advocate has appeared.
Rest of the 4, my learned, first and last one is by me.
29 and 34, my learned friends.
So, my lord, I think the hearing is required because the transfer and we have appeared.
The ground is that he is not in a position to go there because there is a threat.
That is wrong.
What happened to the police case he has registered?
My lord, police case we have inquired, my lord.
You have initiated a FIR or something?
Yes.
What happened to that?
So far, no in the report has been submitted.
Any direction from this court for any report in that connection? No.
My lord, I have submitted my affidavit in position for respondent number 2.
Okay. When do you want it?
Within this month, my lord.
Give me a date. I'll fix it on that day because this has to be heard and finished off now.
Can it be on 23rd of September, Monday?
Subject to Mr. Saruni.
24th. 23rd is a Monday.
24.
24.
29 to 34. It is stated at the bar that the service upon the respondents is complete and the respondents are duly represented in all the cases, in all the matters. Full stop. Accordingly, as prayed for by the learned counsel for the parties appearing for the parties, raised to list this matter again on 24/9/2024 for admissions.
My lord, I may be permitted if required, I'll file objection.
The
Oh my God, so nice of your lordship.
35.
Please, Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, this appeal is filed against the judgment and order dated 25/6/2024, whereby the learned additional session judge of Kamrup, Amingao, upheld the judgment passed by the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate Kamrup, Amingao, Lordship. Chief Judicial Magistrate Kamrup, Amingao had passed the order on
Concurrent findings.
13.
Concurrent findings. Yes, what do you want us to do today?
Lordship, this appeal may be admitted, Lordship.
No interim. But what is the error? What is the error?
Error, not there, there is no error, but Lordship,
Heard the learned counsel for the petitioner as prayed for by the learned counsel for the petitioner raised it to list this matter again after a week. I'll not. You try.
obvious Lordship.
May please your lordship. My lord, the appellant is convicted under section 365 IPC for 7 years and 30,000 of fine. In default of fine, another 6 months. The judgment was passed by a special judge Foxo Kokajan. Page 37 is the judgment.
Yes, what is the error?
My lord, the so many contradiction among the deposition of the witnesses. My lord.
Show me. Show me.
So appeal is been the first time today listed, my lord.
No, you will have to, I will have to suspend this. So for that, I'll have to be satisfied that the order that you at least,
Yes, my lord.
it is not been proved beyond reasonable doubt. My primary glancing is that the evidences have been taken note of.
Evidence I have not annexed because record was not
No,
followed.
no. Evidences, whatever is been taken note of in the judgment, from the judgment, what is evident is that there is a discussion of everything and the logical conclusion is this. What do you say on that?
Well, initially, the charge was framed under section 366A and 365 IPC and section 4 of POCSO. And my lord, from the deposition, the landed court, my lord, could not find the POCSO section 4, my lord, and 366A also. Here, my lord, the
Yes,
charge
what do you
is
say?
My lord, here because now my learned friend is praying for suspension of sentence and that. So, my lord, it's a only see the prima facie whether there is a chance of acquittal. He will have to show that he has the prima facie chance of acquittal. I am using the word prima facie because Supreme Court has made it clear, my lord. This court now at this stage cannot go into details of the evidence.
Details I don't go. Prima facie. That's
Prima
why
facie.
I told him.
Well, appeal may admit, my lord, in the meantime, LCR may be called for.
But no interim today.
After receive the LCR, my lord, I will argue the
Okay.
II, my lord.
But Mr. That's a fair pay. And Udin, learned counsel for the petition, also heard Mr. R. Kaushik, learned counsel, learned additional PP appearing for the state. Full stop. Issue notice. Returnable 4 weeks. Mr. R. Kaushik accepts notice on behalf of the respondent number 1. So petitioner to take steps for issuance of notice upon the respondent number 2 by way of registered post with AD. So register to requisition the scan copies are requisition these days.
Yes.
LCR. In Mizoram, I find it's all scan copies.
Yes.
Original.
Yeah, it's all.
The registry to requisition the LCR of criminal special case number 37, 37 2018 from the court of the learned special judge bracketed Posko Pokraja. Also.
Appeal may admit.
I criminal.
The LCR, my lord, I will With the.
Itu admit a query. Issue notice na like admit query. So and so appears for respondent number 1, accepts notice na like petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon so and so. A to 1, IA criminal 824/2024. Issue notice, returnable 4 weeks. Eke kotha accepts notice so and so steps enaka. Also, the present I would be considered upon receipt of the lower court records in the matter. Also, after receipt of lower court records.
Yes, obliged.
Bail hearing BA, item 37.
Yes, Mr. Ahmed.
My lord, today 59 days lordship, 1 day ahead lordship. To complete 60 days. From the date of arrest, my lord, it is completed lordship. But forwarded on my lord, 6/7 lordship.
Charge sheet.
It is here, madam. Otherwise, materials are here, madam.
Victim was recovered lordship.
Victim recovered. Madam.
The girls have been recovered.
Recovered.
Yes. And FIR is it is my lord. She has gone for job. My lord, job lordship.
But Mr. M.H. Ahmed will allow to.
Considering the length of detention.
Huh?
Considering the length of detention.
Length of detection. But Mr. M.H. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel. Learned R. Koshik, learned additional PP appearing for the respondents, state respondents. Also, the present bail application has been so instituted. Praying for regular bail in connection with Bhanagar PS case number 87/2024 under section 363. Available. Also, the petitioner in connection with the that case was placed under arrest on
Arrested on my lord,
5/7.
5/7 and forwarded on
5/7.
6/7.
So 5/7/2024. 5/7/2024.
Yes, lordship, 20.
Also, I have perused the case diary. Also, considering the materials disclosed in the case diary as well as the length of detention undergone by the petitioner herein, this court is of the view that the petitioner is entitled to be enlarged on bail. Also, accordingly, the petitioner herein is enlarged in bail in connection with Bhanagar PS case number so and so under section so and so. Or on a bond of a year of security of surety of 30,000 with surety of like amount to the satisfaction of
And it's CGM Kamrup Metro.
Learned CGM Kamrup Metro. Also, with the following, he will not temper. Cooperate with the investigation now. The bail application stands disposed of.
May I pray for my lord, communication of this order to the Lord CGM?
Huh?
May I pray for communication of this order?
Why should you take out a certified copy? You will have it by
Today
evening.
itself, Lord.
Huh?
Today, lordship.
Today you will have it.
Lost. All like.
My device.
38.
Only thing till I go down, I'll have to go down first. Is there any?
Is there a receipt, my lord?
What is there?
My lord, basically they are gangs of dacoit, my lord. They're running their syndicate all over almost middle Assam and.
How long have you been in detention?
47 days, my lord. We have been arrested, my lord, merely on
90 days of it.
As requested by the Learned Council, wait for somebody. Oh, I'll have to reject it. I'm rejecting it. Option is yours. Not satisfied.
On 9th, my lord. Similar case is coming on 9th.
9th. On the prayer of, there is a similar case, yes. So and so. List this matter again on 9/9/2024. That bail application 2515, Soburuddin.
Yes.
Huh? Along with bail application number 2515/2024. right?
Lordship.
OT1.
Yes, Mr. Monto.
I am in jail for 69 days. I am not on merit, my lord, only on detention, my lord. Whether, my lord, my custodial detention is required for the purpose of investigation.
302.
My lord. Only suspect, if your lordship go by the FIR, then my lord, purely on suspicion, my lord.
Yes, what is the material?
Pre-planned murder, my lord, there is a eyewitness, 7-year boy
Hmm.
of the person, my lord, he along with the wife of the deceased, my lord, they both by strangulating, my lord, kill that person, my lord, and 164 statement of the boy, and as per the postmortem report, with the help of pillow and one surni.
Inform me that brother of my wife, Ritumoni Halai, and so on.
I am not on merit, my lord. Your lordship kindly see that FIR is closed, that my lord, only on suspicion.
Suddenly, yesterday,
69, today, tomorrow, 70 days.
Wife has been arrested.
She's in jail, my lord.
Hiramani,
Jail, she's in.
no bail application.
No bail. I don't know, my lord.
Who is this Dhrubojyoti disposed of? Yes, what do you say?
It's a pre-planned murder, my lord, 70 days, my lord. Of course, charge sheet not yet filed.
What is the stage? Complete.
Stage of investigation of postmortem report obtained, my lord, but it's sent for fisherman forensic. That FSL is not available. Otherwise, my lord, strangulating, all these are mentioned in the opinion, my lord. But still, my lord.
Why FSL not received?
FSL not yet received. Otherwise, the statement of the 161 statement of the boy, 7 years old boy, he has been thoroughly examined. Subsequently, statement recorded, and wife also admitted, my lord, in her statement. But
That she had murdered.
she with the help of his lover.
There is a statement. 161 or 164?
161 and 164 of the boy.
Boy. Mr. Monto, wait for some more time. Let's see whether the FSL comes.
My lord.
On the Mr. Learned PP has submitted that the case diary has been received. However, the FSL report requisite is not received, for which the case charge sheet was not, has not been filed. So he prays that the matter be taken up after 7 days to present updated case diary in the matter along with the FSL report, if so received in the meantime. Full stop. Prayer accepted. Registered to list this matter again on 13/9. 13/9. You give a updated CD on that. Yes.
Your Lordship, this is a case of robbery is alleged against me, Your Lordship. I'm behind the bars for last 55 days, Your Lordship. The FIR is at page 11, Your Lordship. The relevant portion is at page 14, Your Lordship. It's a case of robbery. May I read, Your Lordship? I beg to state that yesterday, while I was traveling from my village, Paschim Saksaka, police station Kumariganj, district Alipurduar, within the state of West Bengal, towards the residence of my brother-in-law, the husband of my wife's sister, which is located at Guwahati, in my own vehicle bearing register number so and so. At around 5 o'clock in the evening, two unidentified persons signaled me to stop my vehicle after I had crossed the Sinampur gate in a place.
Yes, what is that? No, not very clear. Sound.
It's a air gun. By putting the air gun, and at about 2:13 a.m. night, and they told that his mother in hospital,
GMC.
and because of that, and subsequently from the statement of there are 3 persons, 1 person at Nalbari. There are 2 persons in the car. All three, my lord, subsequently sold the vehicle to a scrap dealer. It was of rupees 23,000 and cut into pieces the vehicle and sold it. And my lord,
This
the-
is
the-
any
my
other,
activities-
any other criminal antecedent?
Antecedents, my lord, not is disclosed in the CD only regarding this case, but considering the their act, they might have involved in such type of cases. They went by train to DP,
GMCH.
yes, West Bengal. Then this by highway they came to Nalbari and
Yes,
taking on gunpoint.
Mr.
What's the
Dury.
length of detention, Your Lordship? I'm not-
55 days for such an offense is very less. What is the maximum? 60 days.
No,
No, 90 days.
90 days.
90 days.
60 days because it may extend to 10 years, Your Lordship.
So it'll be 90 days.
No, 60 days. It may extend to 10 years, Your Lordship. If it is more than 10 years, then 90 days, Your Lordship.
We'll have it. Yes, 60 years extension will be 10 years or 9 years. Extend up till to,
167.
Up to if maximum.
if it is up to 10 years,
If maximum is not life or death, then
60 days. Otherwise 90 days. This will be 60 days then.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So 55, what do you say? Investigation complete.
392 punishment is yes, up to 40, extended to 14 years. Yes.
60 days.
10 years.
So, what do you say?
On land.
Why the charge sheet is not filed if you have so many material, so much of material?
Does it not yet filed?
But Mr. T. Dury, learned counsel for the petitioner. He also heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel. Where is the case diary? It is, post op. The present application has been filed against of seeking regular bail in connection with Nalbari Police Station case number 202/2024 under section 392 IPC. So the petitioner herein was arrested in connection with the above noted case.
Just I'm clarifying. One thing is it's a night. Night is rigorous imprisonment 14 years. If daytime, then only extend to 14 years. If night, then 3 nights, take rigorous imprisonment 14 years. Then 90 days.
I'm sorry, Your Lordship, according to me, it's in day.
But
Yes, Your Lordship, I'm sorry, Your Lordship.
90 days.
90 days, I'm sorry. It is 5 o'clock in the evening. I thought in the morning.
Then I think we'll have to reject this for the
After
time
some
being.
days, Your Lordship, may kindly.
On the prayer of Mr. T. Dury, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the matter be adjourned today and be taken up on any other day. So prayer is not objected to by the learned counsel for learned edition PP, who however submits that the case diary has been received. Post op. Registry, prayer accepted, registry to list this matter again on 13/9/2024. Case diary be retained.
we may return the CD for updating if
The case diary
if-
may be returned and on the next date of listing, an updated case diary be placed on record. Okay, we have put it on 13, we'll put it on 16. 16.
43.
May I please, Your Lordship. 483 application, Lordship. Lordship, allegation of house trespass and theft is there. Lordship, it's
How long have you been behind bars?
45 days, Lordship. 7 years maximum.
on mobile recovered from his position, the 2 person entered into the room, he is in the outside. He said that what they have been, I don't know, but one mobile given to me. That mobile recovered from the position of this person only.
D.
Your
Medhi,
name?
Lordship.
Huh?
D. Medhi, Lordship. D. Medhi, Lordship.
D. Medhi, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also, but Mr. So-and-so, learned additional PP appearing for the state. Also, the present application has been instituted praying for regular bail in connection with Junai Police Station case number 70 of 2024 under section BNS so and so. The petitioner was placed under arrest in connection with the above noted case on 19/7.
On 19/7.
19/7/2024. Also, perused the case diary and also heard the learned counsel for the petition on our consideration of the matter and also considering the length of detention undergone by the petitioner herein. It is directed that the petitioner be released on bail with a amount of rupees 20,000 with like surety and will appear, cooperate with the investigation, hamper temper and operate. Dispose of.
Highly obliged. Lordship, Lordship, order maybe CGM.
Or to the satisfaction of the learned CGM Hemaji.
Public.
Regular bill আছে না regular bill আছে তো order
44.
44 मतलब
effort कितना मारी क्या बोला एक quantity कितना तो 9 कम था कितना medium ना है स्वल्प तक मत के स्वल्प को medium ना है अनामिका मत
But here in your lordship, the petitioner, he is in custody for.
Has the statement of the victim girl?
44 मतलब FR submitted मतलब.
FR?
मतलब.
But still he is in jail, your lordship.
You go, he should have appeared if the FR is submitted. Nothing against him.
Nothing against him.
Then, where is that?
FR मतलब.
No Naraji petition also.
But only that.
When was it submitted?
That portion is not known. Dated is 12/8. We got the signal from the police. Girl is
Girl recovered.
Girl recovered, your lordship. They know each other very well, your lordship, because the petitioner he used to work near the house of the informant, your lordship. And one that day, your lordship, the sister of the informant went to her relative house along with the petitioner, your lordship.
more than 19 years.
Brother, your lordship, lost this case.
More than 19 years.
Heard. Mr.
A.M. Khan.
A.M. Khan, learned counsel for the petition, also Mr. Sonso, additional PP, appearing for the state respondents. Also, the present application has been preferred by the petitioner seeking regular bail in connection with Changsari PS case number 225/2024 under section 87 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Also, the petitioner was placed under arrest on 9/8/2024 in connection with the said case. Also, the learned PP has submitted that on completion of the investigation, FR, their case has been written in FR. In other words, there was no material found for framing, for submission of a charge sheet against the petitioner in the matter. Also, in view of the above position, it is directed that the petitioner shall be released on bail by 15,000, 1 like surety. Huh? to the satisfaction of the,
CGM, I mean, lordship, hearing your lordship, if there is no any case, your lordship.
but there is still a scope for a Narazi petition. You might come back also.
Maybe it will be subsequent, your lordship, but I think in this, at this stage, your lordship may direct the CGM, your lordship to issue release order, your lordship.
Yes, what is to be done here? When FR is, yes,
FR will go.
I'm asking you.
They should be.
Hmm?
Release forthwith, my lord. Well, I think some mistake maybe let me confirm over phone, my lord.
Ah.
I have a serious doubt, my lord.
That's what I said. What is-
phone টা করে বুঝিলো মানে
Because here, whether they have this FR may mean both.
yes, final form.
Final form is both.
Phone টা let him.
We'll have it tomorrow.
Ah.
You have your instructions.
Generally,
We'll-
that doesn't happen.
No, normally it should not. We'll have it day after tomorrow. Or no, tomorrow. Day after tomorrow is a holiday.
Tomorrow, your lordship, I'm simply praying your lordship to direct the CGM, your lordship, because charge sheet has already been, a final report has already been submitted, your lordship.
No, if I direct the CJM to release you, I must be confirmed that the FR was correct. But here, whether what is exactly then, I don't know.
It is
Because
came from-
everything has been sent along with the FR.
That instruction came from the police, your lordship, so I think.
Well, telephonically, but today itself I can.
Confirm and come back. And if it is FR, we'll have to direct the CGM to release him. Portrait. You wait for some time. You get your instructions.
Item 48.
Sorry, CD not received, they are in interim, madam.
May I please your lordship, I have appeared before the IO. Accordingly, I have recorded my statement, lordship.
Learned PP, additional PP submits that the case diary is not received. Accordingly, registry to list this matter again when?
Another 16.
On 16/9/2024. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of list.
Lordship, internet.
Interim continue.
49.
In this case, lordship, there,
CD has come.
I was in interim, my lord, I have appeared before the and recorded my statement.
Statement recorded.
No, lordship, 161 not recorded, lordship. 161 is here, lordship. As per 160.
The girls 164 is not recorded.
Not recorded.
Why?
That is not there.
Get it done.
Girls and boys are both are major person and there is a long relationship and there is a marriage agreement also, my lord, between the accused and victim.
That is the main allegation, lordship. He made in the name of marrying a marriage, lordship, but lordship subsequently he denied to marry her.
What happened actually in this case, my lord, after executing this marriage agreement, the victim girl used to live.
Mr. P.S. Learned Counsel, Learned Additional PP submits that the case diary received is not an updated one and accordingly prays for production of an updated case diary. And accordingly, registry to list this matter again on when? 16?
Lordship.
60, you are interim prayer, 16/9/2024. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of list. You get it done.
Item 50, my lord, from the same FIR. Petitioner is the family members of the.
Interim is there.
Yes, lord.
Same order.
Yeah.
Dusra manna.
See, item 50, lordship, all our petitioners are the family members of the accused, father, mother, and brother.
Together we'll consider. Your interim order, you are
Yes,
protected.
Obliged.
Yes, Mr. Dotto.
Please, your lordship. What is the 438 application, my lord? The allegation is against the accused number 1 for rape, my lord. The lordship will find the FIR at page 12, my lord, 1.
গাড়ী চালক হিচাপে কাম কৰা লোক মোক আজি এই কাম কৰা দোকানৰ মালিক তাজমুল হুছেইনৰ ভায়েক আমিৰ এলাইজ তাফজুল হুছেইনে দুপৰীয়া ভাগত তেওঁৰ ঘৰৰ বলেৰো গাড়ীখন লৈ মোক that is the after it comes lordship. That person name is involved that only the তাজমুল হুছেইনৰ ভায়েকে তাফাজুল হুছেইনে মোক গাড়ীখন লৈ যাব দিলে that is the only thing.
না, গাড়ী ক'ত লৈ যাব? What, where?
Also, they had that entire currency, fake currency has been seized from this vehicle also.
Vehicle. Okay.
Lordship, I am not the owner of the
It- it-
vehicle,
it-
Lordship.
yes,
My
it is.
brother is owner of the vehicle, Lordship.
He is a brother of the main accused, one of the main accused.
And the main accused says that he is not involved. Statement of the main accused?
He is
Huh?
not yet arrested, Lordship.
He is not yet arrested. None of the main
No, two person arrested, Lordship,
Arrested.
but they have not mentioned his name.
His name.
That much his involvement is stated, Lordship.
PAFAI. Tafai, it's he or somebody else?
The brother of
Tafai
the
Jul?
petition-
This is the petition is Tazmul.
Tazmul.
Tafazul is his brother.
Okay.
Tazmul brother Tafazul.
So it was that vehicle while it was proceeding was seized.
Lordship. And Tazmul is also not the owner of the vehicle. It is the one another Anwar, like I think it is Anwar. One of his brother is the owner of the vehicle.
Yes, what do you say then? Can we?
Yes.
Hmm?
Otherwise, I have not found any other involvement in this.
So there is nothing directly implicated.
No direct.
Mr. F. Hawk, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. P.S. Loskar, additional PP. Appearing for the state respondents. The present application has been instituted, praying for pre-arrest bail in connection with Dispur Police Station case number 643 of 2024, corresponding to GR case number 3702 of 2024 under section 4989A oblique 489 bracketed C of IPC. Also, I have perused the case diary and it is found that till the present stage of investigation as carried out in the matter, the petitioner herein has not been directly implicated with the offense involved. Although the brothers of the petitioner have been placed under arrest in connection with the said offense.
All no brothers are not arrested, Lordship.
Brothers are alleged
No.
to be involved in
Involved.
connection with the said offense. Also, in view of the above position and also considering the investigation, considering the progress made in the investigation, this court is of the view that the petitioner is entitled to be granted to be extended with the benefit of pre-arrest bail. So accordingly, in the event of arrest of the petitioner in connection with Dispur Police Station case number 643 of 2024 under section 489 bracketed A oblique 489 bracketed C of the IPC, he shall be released on bail of rupees 30,000 with like surety to the service. Baki ek hi same rahega. He will appear before the investigating officer within 7 days from today and have his statement recorded. Baki jo hum loga statement hai, jo paragraph so laga dena, disposed of.
Publish, Lordship, publish.
Is that to ready? What about this?
CD not received also.
Mr. P.S. Loskar, Learned Counsel for the
Lordship.
petitioner.
Uh,
Huh.
Please, Lordship.
Hmm.
My lord, I beg to draw Lordship attention as at page number 27, you Lordship. Because I am seriously injured, your lordship, with some lethal event, I have been inflicted blow on my head, your lordship. Your lordship, we have filed an FIR as a counter blood, they have filed an FIR, your lordship. Allegation in a nutshell, your lordship, we have hired a pond, your lordship. So when we went to took care of the pond, your lordship.
The
suddenly
case
we have-
filed by you is 172 or 173? 173.
173, your lordship.
And by dumb is 172.
172, your lordship.
When can you get it? Juria,
Juria lordship on
9th?
lordship.
9th.
My prayer is restricted to only page 27, your lordship, because I am seriously injured on one head, your lordship. So only.
You're not receiving treatment.
No, I'm taking the treatment, your lordship.
That you proceed.
But your lordship, I have to undertake treatment because the police is running after me, your lordship. That's why, your lordship, till the CDS come, till then I will be internally granted. Only for-
That was same thing was there when the matter was moved. Seeing the allegation, I am finding it difficult. We'll have it on 9th. On that day, we will see.
On 9th, your lordship, 9th.
Mr. P.S. Loskar submits, the additional PP submits that the case diary has not been received. However, he submits. However, he undertakes that the case diary would be produced invariably on the next date of listing. Accordingly, registered to list this matter again on 9/9/2024 for production of the case diary.
Obliged, deep obliged.
Orders item 54.
Lordship, this is an appeal against conviction, Lordship. I have been convicted under clause N.
Somebody wanted to take time here, right?
Lordship, because the service is not complete. I am convicted under POXO. On the last
Respondent.
occasion, Lordship, I was directed to take steps to the officer in charge of Borpeta police station, which another wife also, but no divorce, nothing else. She did not disclose her relationship. She was married with one Ritu Pavan Boisho of Nagaon. And he also filed two cases, one complaint case, another domestic violence case. One was quashed in the FIR in the High Court, and another was compromised in the CGM court. This relationship that he was earlier, she was married, that was not disclosed to the petitioner. And prior to that, he also ran away with another boy, and several things came to his knowledge. He actually promised to marry. It is not denied. He promised. He also
Then establish those before the trial court.
I have also filed one FIR subsequently, and that was also here.
So if you have those materials, why are you, if you admit that you had promised her to marry her?
I am
Then
a
it is a thick
journalist.
case.
I am a renowned journalist. The chief minister also gifted me something as a
No,
honor.
you have a very good credential. I've seen that. You are a well-established personality in your field. But the problem is that once you say that you had promised her to marry her, and subsequently these things have come up to your knowledge, go and establish that in the trial.
Whenever one day I was talking with her, then one phone came, and she hold and came to know that one lady, one girl, that is Noyanika, and she asked to go there, and she helped her in marriage case of pregnancy. And thereafter, one photograph showed to me, and that photograph was one drunkard man drinking in her room. And thereafter also know that
Is there an interim order here?
She married with Mitu
IAS
Barua and
IAS.
something else.
Is there any interim order?
Interim order is no interim order bail order. I am in bail, and this bail was granted.
No interim
first
order.
interim
Trial,
bail.
what is the situation? Charge sheets filed?
Charge sheet. Already charge sheet.
Trial?
On last occasion, he mentioned that charges have been filed, but I have not got it with the LCR. I'm not sure if it's
LCR has come.
LCR come.
it's not there, no?
CS is not here.
Not annexed.
We'll have to see the charge sheet then. Because filing of a charge sheet, still your challenge to the FIR would be maintainable.
Yes.
Latest law. That's the law.
Then
But what is the material in the charge sheet? It is submitted at the bar. Well, let's see what happens. It is submitted at the bar that the charge sheet has been filed in the matter. However, the LCR receipt does not contain the copy of the charge sheet. Full stop. What should I do now? Ask for the
All for the
scan
along
copy.
with the present status of the case.
Accordingly, registry to requisition a scan copy of the charge sheet, if so filed.
Scans copy already been sent.
No, it's a charge sheet scan copy is not there.
Scans copy charge sheet is there. I
Is
have,
there?
Charge sheet not
I have perused there.
Charge sheet.
Charge sheet, scan copy.
Charge sheet नहीं रहता है. Charge sheet नहीं रहता. Charge sheet नाम है.
मैं तो देखा नहीं आके नहीं मैंने
Charge sheet not.
खुद देख लिया आपने फाइल को चार्जशीट फाइल कौन सा शो हाँ
नहीं.
Only FIR.
only a file.
Only CD. Only CD, not charge sheet. CD.
A copy of the charge sheet, which is stated to have been filed in the matter. Also, registry should also Session should also place on record. Registry should also require the trial court to place on record the stage at which the case is pending as on date. Full stop. List this matter again on when?
On
It takes
24/9.
24/9 on 24/9.
24/9.
Be reflected in the
Huh?
actions. My name may be reflected now.
Yeah, okay.
Before responding for two.
You want it reflected in the order?
Yes.
Okay. Heard Mr. S.C. Pandit, learned counsel for the Upper Malikna, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. P.S. Laskar, learned law court, learned additional PP, and also Ms. D. Saikia, learned amicus curiae appearing for the respondent number 2.
Deeply obliged much.
But if that is your stand, I think it's a trial where you can settle it.
Actually, very false story. And charge sheet will reflect the actual story.
Let's see.
And so many Bhajan Lal case also here, and Haryana, and Hadi Iqbal.
Yes, what is that?
Gupta and Shweta.
Not yet received the details. One line, my lord, I have seen, my lord, in the report, along with the original record and the charge sheet submitted before the court. So, my lord, I have doubt
Along with
again.
the charge sheet, huh?
So, my lord, if FR, then why charge sheet, my lord?
What happened?
Tomorrow, my lord. I have already sent to WhatsApp to our office, my lord, but not yet.
Okay.
Get, my
Item number
44.
44. Registry to list this matter again tomorrow. It apni thoi dibo, sleep out koi dibo. It's also a learning experience for me.
That may be